Welcome to my newest listing at the Clairemont. This is 417 Clairemont Avenue, Unit 114. If you don't know this particular building, it is a luxury building that has the largest, most lovely units right in the heart of downtown Decatur. So walkable to shops, restaurants, MARTA. We're also super close to Emory and the CDC. As you enter, you'll see it's a lovely open floor plan. And what I love most about this unit is that a lot of the spaces are very flexible. So you have a beautiful kitchen with a keeping area off it with a built-in desk. You can use as a sitting area. You can use as a separate office. You could also use it as an eat-in area. And then we have a separate dining area that you could also use as living space. So really pretty flexible. There's a very large living room with a gorgeous fireplace that opens out with a wall of windows onto a beautiful balcony. This is really a beautiful unit, almost 2,000 square feet, which is pretty rare for this area. We're now in the primary suite, and it's a really spacious room with beautiful windows, and it's got an attached bathroom that includes a jetted tub, a large separate shower, double vanities, a walk-in closet, and an in-unit laundry room. In addition to the primary bedroom, there's a full second suite on the other side of the living room with an attached bathroom as well. There's even a powder room perfect for guests. Living at the Clairemont is like living at a world-class resort. You have beautiful amenities here, including a pool, a fountain. You've got gas grills to be able to enjoy and barbecue with your friends. There's media room, there's fitness center, there's club room. There are multiple places that you can get together and socialize with your neighbors, or you could just walk out the door and go out on the town. You're walking distance to all the shops and restaurants. Truly an amazing place to live.